The instructor that I had, he said that there's a 50% chance that I might pass. क्या लगता है तुझे, पास की फेल?
हाँ
पास की
पास
फेल तुझे कैसे पता चला?
पास हो गई।
मैं हाँ.
अरे कांग्रेट्स दादू।
We are now heading towards DMV. Get in line appointment because we had not pre-scheduled an appointment for ourselves earlier because SSN we didn't know when it would arrive, right? And for our visa status, SSN was required. For our friend who's on H4, she doesn't require SSN. So we are heading towards DMV now, and let me know in the comments if you think that Kunal will pass his knowledge test today. In USA, there are 2 steps to get your driver's license, that is passing a knowledge test, and the next test is behind the wheel. These are the documents that were required, and we made a couple of visits before Kunal's knowledge test to make sure we are on track and nothing else is required. Every time, because we could not do a pre-scheduled meeting which would take months and months of appointment, we simply did get in line appointment, that is you wait your number on that day and then you'll be called out once your number arrives. Basically, we just got in the line when we were at our home, and because the waiting period was around 30 minutes to 60 minutes to 2 hours, so we kept track on where our number has reached and accordingly left for DMV. These guys, they also give a book which has your knowledge theory exam, and that's Kunal giving his exam, which he passed, of course. So you can pick up that book, or even that is available as PDF format if you prefer reading it online. You come to know instantly if you've passed or failed, and once you've passed, you can then book your behind the wheel test immediately, but the appointment that you'll get will be a month or two later. And because there was urgency and we needed the license, Kunal applied for behind the wheel appointment in Santa Cruz, which is almost 2 hours away, and that cost us steep $400 with a training school, his car, the trainer, and with all the documentation. And because Kunal's been driving for more than 15 years now, he just took a few lessons from his friends and he was good to go. He cleared the test with flying colors. And you'll be wondering, Parita, if you did not have a driver's license, how is Kunal driving a car to these places? We got an international driver's license done when we were in India, which was valid for 6 months for the 2 of us because we are in the US and we need a car, especially when you are in a city which is not New York or SF, that is predominantly doesn't have a lot of public transport. So that international driver's license worked brilliantly for our rental cars. Till we took our own car, which is in Tesla, a couple of months ago in 2026. You can watch that vlog here, a real proud moment for the 2 of us. All this is in San Jose DMV, and Kunal's doing his eye test right now, just reading out the letters. We also checked off a box of real ID, that is, it'll be an identification along with the driver's license, so we don't have to carry our passport while traveling inside US, including flights as well. There are books in Punjabi and Gujarati and Hindi. Can you believe that? I feel so happy that the country and state is so inclusive and diverse. This is where you make payment if you want to park your car in San Jose. Use coins or notes or your cards. And then it was my turn for knowledge test. Basically, they also take fingerprints while you are out there and doing the registration formality. So I had a cut on my thumb, and then these guys gave me a band-aid because they asked me to remove it along with alcohol pad. That was really, really sweet of them to do it. I've passed it the first attempt, and now I'm going to get ready to learn how to drive here in the US. So drop me
That's
congratulations
the
in the
learner's
comments.
permit that you get.
See
That
you.
means you can drive a vehicle, but you need someone with a valid driver's license beside you at all points while you are driving.
It feels really unreal about me passing the knowledge test and Kunal getting his driver's license yesterday. I think Ganpati Bappa really came with a miracle this time. It's like a next step, the big move after moving to the US. Yeah, it just feels really surreal for the both of us. And I think now it's sink in that we have really moved to the States after our license is through and done.
2,000 years later.
Well, it's almost been a year, and I had till August 2026 to finish my behind the wheel test.
I have my driver's test today. There's one thing that Bay Area definitely teaches you is not to be nervous, because you can't be nervous here. It's seen as a sign of low confidence, and that just gets you out of places like interviews or driving school. Basically, anywhere else. Nervousness here is a sign of a lot of things, like you don't know about that product, service, whatever, if you are selling something or whatever you're doing. So I've decided to not be nervous.
Now, the biggest mental hurdle for a lot of people moving to the US or any other country which has right side driving and its left side in India is that you are on the right side. Funny enough, picking up this spatial concept was not that hard for me. Even when I was just sitting in the passenger seat or in an Uber or when Kunal was driving, my brain already knew, okay, we are on the right side of the road now, and this is what actually makes driving here easier. Overall, people really stick to the traffic rules. There's a predictable order to the chaos, but the only catch is that that chaos moves fast. And while seeing people drive last year, I realized that the real test is not knowing the traffic signs, it's the speed and split second decisions. When you are cruising at that high speed, which is around 70 miles per hour, which is 120-130 kilometers per hour on multi-lane street or highways, you don't have time to second guess or lane switch or hesitate at that junction, because it'll cost you your life, dude. Everything happens in a fraction of a second, and having a complete control over a vehicle is everything. This is your life that we are talking about. And because I wanted to build a solid confidence, eliminate any bad habits before taking the practical exam, I decided to take a couple of professional driving lessons here in San Jose. Also, just so that you know that driving in Bay Area is no joke. It cost me around $150 per lesson. Very, very steep, but honestly, looking back, every single dollar was worth it. I think this looks much better. Decided to go ahead with the California t-shirt so that it just adds some points for me. And if you're wondering what this is, I had fallen down when I was a kid. I was in second standard and I was doing Langdi on stairs. When I reached on top, I lost my balance. I toppled down from top to bottom. The stair, it sliced my forehead and there was a pool of blood that time. I've lost my learner's permit, which I need, so I'm going now to print a duplicate copy. I hope it gets done soon because I have a test at 9 o'clock and it's 8:30 already. The instructor made me practice in and around DMV where the exam would be held, and gave me personalized tailor-made coaching to the mistakes which I was making, and made sure that I do not make those mistakes because it's my life that we are talking about. And this is the reason why I did not mind spending any amount. We all spend so much money without hesitation on alcohol, dancing, going clubbing, shopping, and you don't realize that life is more important than these things. I usually get questioned about it, but this is mere logic about that life is the most important thing. I got the permit again reprinted and I have my test right now. Again, not nervous, but I'm super excited and a little bit nervous. That's the queue where everyone's waiting for their behind the wheel test. The cars move ahead one by one. I'm waiting in the queue right now. Cars waiting ahead for me, and I do feel confident that I'm going to pass the test.
The instructor that I had said that there's a 50% chance that I might pass and to take more training sessions, but I just feel that he had some other intentions with that. Just wanted more sales basically. I feel pretty confident and I think I'm going to show him that I can pass this test. It's at 9 o'clock, it's 9:20. There are still 2 cars ahead of me, and it's been a year that we've come to DMV San Jose after Kunal's test. I gave mine my theory test last year, and I have till August to complete behind the wheel test. Here in California, again, I'm not sure about entire US, but here is just theory test and directly the driving test. I think Canada has different variants when it comes to when you can drive and what level of alcohol, how much you can have based on the level of your driving status. Here I think it's just one, everything is in one go, and I'm really praying hard I want to get done in this go, one of the tasks, and I don't want to be repetitive so I can focus on other things. Also, if I take a test second time, I'll have to pay extra. I don't know how much it is, but it's obviously money wastage, and which I don't want to do. You can get your school to get you here. In my case, I got Kunal. Basically, you need to have someone who has a valid driver's license to get you here. Just waiting and praying for me outside somewhere. This one obviously turns out to be cheaper because if you get a driving school, it's almost $200 for these couple of hours, which is a little steep in my opinion. So this one worked out for us. I'm so glad that we have a car and Kunal who has a license, so we could do this. I'm pretty excited. I think this will be the first time I've driven the car in India, but it's not been regular because of course I do not need to drive there as much as I need to drive here in California. And I'm pretty excited. Let's see how it goes. And there's the instructor for today. I am a little worried because the screen has cameras, and driving schools we are not supposed to have cameras on the screen. I'll just probably hide it by putting something else on the screen, but I hope this works out for me. Kunal is more nervous than I am. He's just lurking around right now. ऐसे ही बुलाया.
All the best.
Thank you. Are you nervous?
Yes, very.
And when I say he's nervous, he's not nervous in a very misogynist way that I'll do something to his car. He's just nervous. Even he just wants us to get this off our things to do list and wants me to be independent in the car. For me to be able to drive by myself.
Of course, I couldn't record during the test. And during the test, my heart was definitely pounding a bit. The examiner checked the turn signals, brake lights, hand signals, and then off we went. I kept remembering my training, checked my blind spots, make obvious shoulder checks, hold the speed limit, stay smooth, and of course, check the signals. I know that I did hit the brakes pretty hard 1 or 2 times. And when we pulled back into the DMV parking lot, the examiner turned and said, "Congratulations, you passed."
Pass के fail.
हाँ?
Pass के
Pass.
fail. तुझे कैसे आ रहा
Pass हो गई?
था? हाँ.
अरे congrats, Dadu.
I got my license and it's a paper receipt which I can use till I get a proper plastic card which I'll get in 2 to 4 weeks.
I officially have a driver now.
Did you know I'll pass the test?
Yeah,
How come?
because I was the teacher.
You are not the teacher, the school instructor. The driving school was a
I
teacher.
was a teacher.
I'll take you home now.